Hello and welcome to my channel where we make everything simple and intuitive. In this playlist, we'll study together an operating systems course. A very interesting topic yet quite advanced. I'm Muhammad Saeed and this is Alphabets English. Now, what you should expect from this playlist is everything will be as simple and clear as it gets. Also, you are studying an OS course right now, so I assume that you have the basic knowledge needed. Like, don't expect me to explain things like registers or hexadecimal numbers. However, I'll do quick revisions when needed. I'll try to solve some problem sheets when handy, so this makes the playlist perfect for college students. Our textbook is Operating Systems, Internals and Design Principles, and I'll be working from the 9th edition, and I'll provide you with notes, but I encourage you to buy this book if you can afford it. It's a lot of work to do and a long way to go, so hurry up and get on board as the journey set off. See you in the next video.